The digital economy is the new economy for many countries across the world, and what happened during COVID has accelerated that in lots of parts of the world as well. So having a focus on where the country is going in relation to its digital economy is of absolute importance. However, the basic thing you need in order to enable that economy to grow is that you need equal access, and you need good digital access across the entire country. So this workshop is here to start to have those conversations, bring together the different stakeholders from the private sector and the public sector, from government and from businesses, in order to start to discuss what is really needed and what does Nigeria need to do in order to enable the country to have full digital access and to start to make inroads into the digital economy. The uniqueness of this particular intervention that we're having right now is to bring all the key stakeholders together in order to help create the solutions. So previous attempts have happened, but it hasn't always happened in a collective manner. Now, one of the key factors that many across the world again have begun to realize is that really you need to have all stakeholders in the room in order to come up with the solutions for the country. And those solutions have to have an inclusion element in there, that we have to be thinking about inclusion of women, of disabled people, of people in rural areas. All of these people need to be included because they're all going to be key parts of the future of the country. The level of engagement in this event has been very high. We have, first of all, very senior people from government, key people inside ministries, and then we have the private sector as well coming. So clearly there seems to be a need, and clearly everybody wants to engage and have this conversation and have this dialogue. So we're very happy to be able to enable that to happen, because it seems as though it's been a long time coming. So from already we've seen the conversations are moving in a positive direction, and everybody wants to try to do the best for the country. So we're seeing high levels of engagement, high levels of participation, and we're looking forward to trying to lead and facilitate this discovery into what should happen for Nigeria in the future. So in Abuja, what we have here is that we have a high proportion of people from the public sector, because this is where the government is. What we're hoping to do in Lagos, in the Lagos event, we are expecting to have a higher proportion of people coming from the private sector to be able to put, I think, some of their issues on the table, for them to give their perspectives on what they are seeing in relation to the growth of the digital economy, but also the needs. What is it that private sector needs in order to be able to fully utilize and to help the growth in the digital economy for Nigeria?